Good morning and welcome to my hobby bench. Soto, this is your Canby 40 model 4011 engine on the table. All parts are cleaned up. I've already installed the new bearings here and I'm just going to do the final assembly here on video. Probably just going to turn the audio off. There's really no need in me discussing anything here. I'm only going to be using this 3/32 T-handle for installation of all the screws. Every screw on this engine, with the exception of the exhaust screws, are the same length, same thread, and they're all standard. Now, there is a glow plug in the head. At this time, I'm not going to replace that glow plug. I don't see a need to do that until runtime. I've got the two new gaskets here. The gaskets that have been removed are here, so we'll be installing those. Now, this came with a prop stub, or a threaded stud here for the prop shaft. I don't see that there's anything wrong with that, so I'm kind of deciding maybe not to. Let's see here. Yeah, the Arrow one is longer, so I will be installing that on here, along with the prop washer and nut. The collet, there's absolutely no reason for me to replace this. I don't believe. There's just nothing wrong with this collet, so I'm going to leave that in the package. The two bearings that I removed are just placed back in the bag. They're here, and I have removed this carb O-ring, and I can replace it with a new one, but the O-rings are visibly different, so I'm not sure if I'm going to do that or not. I mean, I can open this up and see what the fitment is like, but the one that was on the carb is still very pliable. Feels really good, but it's much larger in diameter, so I'm not sure about that. I can try and fit this one. This one actually says for a Canby 45 engine, so I'm not entirely sure that this is the right carb O-ring anyway. But so I'm going to turn off the sound, or at least mute the sound, and just get to work here.